So at Ausbil, we operate under a four-stage process. The first being we look at the macro from a top-down perspective with the assistance of our chief economist who's in-house. The second stage is we apply an investment grade filter. So we take 2,000 stocks, roughly on the ASX, remove the top 200, and then we filter for both liquidity and earnings. So by liquidity, we're trying to avoid lobster pots, and earnings, we're trying to avoid concept stocks. The third stage is fundamental bottom-up research, and this is where we spend the majority of our time. This is really important to go and meet companies, so we have a strong company visitation program, and also we focus on the numbers, so that involves financial modelling. The fourth stage of the process is really about portfolio construction, and we're trying to make sure that we have risk-adjusted outperformance and appropriate diversification within the fund. So a recent addition to the portfolio was SRG. So this is an infrastructure, mining, products and service business. It's around 150 million market cap, and it's worked on some really iconic projects. So it's worked on the Snowy Hydro scheme, Sydney Olympic Park, the stadium, Sydney Centre Point Tower, and they have some great products and services that they specialise in. From a top-down point of view, it's really exposed to the infrastructure thematic along the east coast of Australia, but it also has some mining exposure as well through its drill and blast. We really like the business. It's trading on a low valuation, around 10 times PE for next year. They've just made an acquisition of TBS Group, which was a non-core investment in the Bapcor business that they've just sold. They bought it for around 4 times EBITDA, and we think that there's a great opportunity in there to continue to build upon the business in New Zealand, where that business operates. We really like the management. They're all a few of them are ex-Leighton's contractors. The chairman went out and bought 5 or 6% of the company with his own cash. So there's a strong alignment of interest between not just the chairman, but also the staff within the business. So we think that's a candidate that's undiscovered, under-researched and under-owned, that can over the next 12, 18 months and beyond outperform the market.